Hello guys. I forgot my intro. Hello guys. Oh, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and we are getting ready to go back home after spending 11 days in Sweden. It was 11? Yeah. It feels like 11 years, so either way, we spent...
This is the 13th day out of the travel.
This is the 13th day we spent out of the country, so we've been here for a long time. I am so ready to go home. I'm ready to see my cat and I guess the humans. And just go back to my regular life, because we literally started having our regular life here, and that's when you know it's time to go, when we start making a routine in a different country. So we have everything packed and ready. It's like 3 something or 2 something, getting ready to be 3 something, and we'll be leaving to go to the airport like 3 hours early, because we like being there early so we can figure everything out and be comfortable waiting for our flight, not having to worry about anything. And yeah, that's really all I have to say. I'm honestly not ready for this 10-hour flight, being like stuffed like sardines in economy. That should be illegal. We'll be flying first class or something next time, so I can have more room like space to stretch, because being stuffed like that for 10 hours, my body can't handle that. If it was a short flight, it would have been fine. But the fact that it's 10 hours being stuff like that, it just feels so illegal. So we're not doing that again when we come here next year, which we will be coming here next year. Anyway, let's get this journey started back home. I can't wait to film my cat's reaction, because we went to Vegas for 5 days before and they totally forgot who we were. Like, our scents were just all messed up. They knew our face, but since our scents didn't match up with their face, they just freaked out. So we've been gone for 13 days, so that's gonna be hilarious seeing their reaction to us coming back, and I'll show you guys, of course. Anyway, let's get this video started and enjoy. Okay guys, we are finally leaving. I have to roll 2 suitcases because Kahila has the big one, so I'm stuck doing that. But we're leaving finally. I will miss it here, but until next time. I'm saying we'll never, like, I don't want to stay long again, but we're literally planning to stay like a month next year, so I don't know how that will go. So let me focus on rolling these bad boys.
Last drop.
guys, we officially landed in LAX and it is so hot. I can feel the difference. We were so spoiled in Sweden. It feels disgusting here. So now I have no idea where we're walking, but we need to get our bag with our yarn and then all that good stuff. So I'm just happy we're back. Anyway, I'm talking too much. No, I'm not. Anyway, over and out. We'll see you guys when things are less hectic. We are back, officially back in the car. Kahila, I said it. It was so hectic. My bag is so heavy, but we found, we're here. I'm sweating. It's already. So disgusting here. Oh my God. I miss Sweden. I'm a Swederican forever. Anyway, I'm gonna film more when I get home because I really don't even feel like talking right now because it's so hot. I want to see my cats. I'm gonna film their reaction, but at least we're in the car headed home finally. So that's all I have to say. See you when I get home. Fury! Bundy! Hey guys! Come here! Hey Fury! Hey Bundy! Hi! From the Fury! Hi! Hi! Bundy! Come here, look! Bundy! Bundy! Okay guys, as you guys saw, I'm back home in my room. I'm getting ready to unpack my bag and give Joey his books. And I don't even know. I'm tired though. Whew. But let's unpack because if I don't unpack now, I'm never going to.
This is the longest Tuesday you've had.
I know. Hello guys, it is now the 22nd, so we've been here for like 2 days now, and I don't know if this is jet lag, but literally yesterday and today my sisters and I both woke up, all woke up at 4 a.m. because we've been going to sleep at like 7 because our bodies are just so tired. It's like as soon as we got home, our bodies just shut down. So we've been going to bed at like 7, waking up at 4, and staying up from 4 for like the rest of the day. And today we woke up at 4 again. Well, they woke up at 3 something. I woke up at 4, and then we literally just got out of bed, started knitting. We ate some pizza rolls, and we were just chilling as if it was 10 a.m. but it was 4 a.m. So yeah, that's how things are going. The cats reacted normally. I think it's because we've had them longer. Before, when we left for 5 days, we only had them for like a year. And we've had them for 2 years now, so I think they just got used to us. And so when we came back, it wasn't anything because they just remembered us. It wasn't anything. I expected them to run away and stuff, but they didn't. They were just chilling. So today, I think I'm just gonna show you guys my day and then end it, even though it's going to be a normal day like always. A normal California day. This is my bag I got in Sweden. So I'm using that for my project bag. And I'm also using the yarn I got in Sweden at the last yarn store we went to. But this is my project I'm working on. It's the Louisiana sweater again. course, I already split for the sleeve, so this is how it's looking. It's super, super light and fluffy and nice. So, oh, it looks so cute in the camera. It looks so much better in the camera than it does in person to me. So hopefully I can get the body done, because this really does not take long. I think that's why I love making the Louisiana sweater, because it does not take long to make. And I'm using 8mm needles instead of 9, which is what the pattern calls for. So yeah, let's see how much I can get done. So let's get it. Okay guys, it is October 23rd and I am just now ending out this leaving Sweden video. I just didn't feel like ending it. I don't know. I just filmed what I needed to film, and then after that I just totally forgot to end it, and then the days just kept passing by and I cared less each time. But now I'm finally editing. I'm finally editing the video, and so I was like, okay, Kahila, let's finish this. Let's end this video out.
Yeah,
end this video out with
it.
me, and that's me doing it. So I
Jeez, yeah.
I haven't filmed it so long. What was I saying? I did finish that sweater I was working on. I actually ended up turning it into a short sleeve top.
Did you take a picture in it?
No. I did go to one of our... I went somewhere with it.
Kalila still hasn't taken a picture in her Monday sweater and chunky belly. I see.
Wow. Yeah, so you guys have just seen... Oh, I'm actually going to show you guys in the next video of my yarn haul. So all the yarn I got from Sweden, and then I'll show you guys... Because I bought the yarn in Sweden, so I'll show you guys the project that I finished with the yarn I bought in Sweden. So you guys will actually see that in the next video whenever I decide to film that. I actually have to film that.
I'll have 4 videos to edit.
Well, at least you have to edit, but still, I feel like it's the same thing. Filming and editing. Anyway. So yeah, I think that's the only update I would need for this video. Yeah, I told them all of that. It's literally, I was just continuing out my day.
Yeah.
And then I was going to end it, but I just never got to it. So this is it. So this is finally the ending of the Sweden anything until next year. We plan to go next year, so you guys can just see that next year. Anyway, how do I end my videos out? I forgot.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Yeah.
Let me know.
No, I don't say that. You be saying too much.
Yeah, I say that so then it could prompt you to say your short piece.
What do I say? Thank you guys so much for watching. And
Since
since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!